Okay, let's get ready. Let's get ready to party. You guys ready? Okay, welcome to Keenan Can Do. We are going to pick up with the workout tracker episode number 4 at the moment. So we have Emacs open. Let's start and see where we were on our last time. That's actually not oh yeah, okay. Why is it coming to source? Do we not have... Let me close Emacs real quick. I gotta make sure my dev bat is set up. There we go. Bootstrap.dev. Boom. And we'll get Emacs. Good to go. Close this. Got a workout. And then we got our workout tracker as we left it yesterday. Let's open... Okay, so we have handmade. Workout tracker. Open the index. Okay. So we were at the add warm-up. We had said that this is where the JS would place the div on. Then we tested out where it's going to say current status true, current status false, true, false, true, false. So as many times as you press that, it kind of dynamically. So let's what should we do? Should we... Where is the... Oh, I didn't... I need to... One second, let me... This should be in here as well. Okay. So it's there. Okay. So, let me increase the size of the font for us here. There we go, just a little bit so we can see it a little bit better, and then we'll split the screen vertically. Okay, and then let's go to that screen and we'll open the app.js. We'll increase that font as well. Okay. And then let's go, what was the document element by ID, US, show hide warm-up. There it is. So we take in the event, we are logging it. We don't really need to do that no more. We have the new element, the P element. So we're creating a P element then. What we want to do now is, what I'll do is we'll build it out in the HTML, and then we'll add it to, let's build it out in the HTML, and then we'll add it to the log workout. Neatuck. Okay. Yep. Let's add it here. Yeah, the current exercises. Okay. So we still have that to do. This is where the JS, so we don't need that no more. And we'll get rid of that. Why did it do that, huh? There we go. Okay. And then let's go under here and let's do a... I want to do the legend. I haven't done that before, so we'll look up the legend right now. See what that's used for. I think it's used for... Oh, build software fast. Let's look up legend. There we go. Build set. Yeah, so the legend represents a caption for the content. Yeah. Okay. So we'll do a legend. Can you have legends nested? I don't know. We'll have to see if that's the case. But like, okay, we put a legend. Oh, a caption for the parent, for the content of its parent filled set. So we have to do a filled set first. Let's look at filled set. Group several controls as well as labels within a form. You can make... What? Can it be? Can you nest it? We're gonna see if we can nest it. If we can't nest it, it's not too much of a problem. So what I'll do is we'll add the field set here. Field set. And then there we go. I want to put it here. Okay. And then we have legend. So what legend does is you could, okay, so what we're gonna say is legend, and we're gonna say you just put it in, okay, you just put it in the text right there in the legend. Okay. So let's say log your warm up. Log your warm up, and then we're gonna have label for, and this will be the label for, let's go back to the warm up so we can see what we're doing. So warm up was one exercise, so it would be label for the exercise you're choosing, and then two sets. Okay, so label for, let's say, warm up exercise, warm up exercise, and warm up. Okay, and then we'll do, this is going to be a select ID equals warm up exercise. And then name, I guess we could do warm up exercise as well. And then we have to close it. And then we have some options. Let's put some hard-coded ones in here just for right now. Let's say exercise 1. Obviously, we're going to have the same code. We're going to have the same code that we had with the... so this is where we might be able to extract out some logic. We're going to have the same code where we had the main exercise there at the top. Okay, this is going to be a label for warm up set 1. And then we'll do that, and then we'll say set 1 reps. And then this will be an input. So it goes from 25 is the max really reps that I'm gonna want to have, I think, for the warm-ups. What do you guys think? Let's see. I'm thinking 25 is a good option, but I'm not totally sold on it. Let's just I need to look at the input types because I don't even remember how to do honestly how to do that. So that's all the legend does. It wraps it up in that kind of cool. That's cool. Let's go to input. Types. Checkbox button, date, file, hidden, image, month, number. A control enter displays the spinner and adds default validation. Yeah, number. Look at number. Yep. Type equals number. Oops. And it is a ID equals warm up. That 1. Yes. Name. Oops. Name is warm up set 1. Warm up at 1. There we go. This is with the minimum max. So I think that the max sets for warm up would be 25. And the minimum sets for warm up would be 10. Let's go with that for now. If we decide to change our mind, then we can do that at that point. So we're going to say minimum is 10. And max is, what did I say? 25. Okay. So that, and then, what we want to do is copy those. We're going to duplicate them. So it's Control X D. No, that, what's that do? No, that's not it. Control. Let's just look it up. Duplicate line. Duplicate. Crux duplicate. Duplicate current line of region. Control C D. Okay. Control C D. There we go. And then we'll just name this to we'll do set 2. Set 2. And then two. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, there we go. Log your warm up, exercise 1, exercise 2. You know what? I think that we don't even necessarily need to generate it in the JS, but what I could do is I can hide it. So I can take out, and is it display none that makes it completely out of? So if you have add warm up, what we'll do instead of that is we'll set the display to none on log warm up. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll edit our add warm up. Here. Create element. We're not going to do that. Let's see. We're going to get rid of this, all of that. We don't even need that. I don't even need that. Okay. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to say that field set. Let's give that field set an ID. So, or class. We'll just do ID for right now. ID equals warm up. Warm up toggle. Okay. We'll name it warm up toggle. Then we'll go back here. We could say document dot get element by ID. Warm up toggle dot let's just get it up here. Let's debug through this. We'll get it in here. Document dot get element by ID. Warm up toggle. All right, let's no. I have to assign it to something, obviously. Yeah. Warm up. Let's just call it warm up. Okay, warm up. Why is it no? Oh, I don't think I saved that. Okay. There we go. All right, so it's a field set. Is there warm up dot, is it attributes? style. Display. None. Okay, so the style's not there. Okay, so document.get element by ID. Let's look at what that returns. Document. Wait, I'll just say get element by ID. Get element. There we go. Turns an element. Parameters, return value, an element. Okay, so I need to go to element. Attributes, those are read-only. Class list is read-only. Style read-only? I see style instance property. Well, you guys can't see. I gotta switch over when I do that. Okay. So I added a scene so I can switch array when I'm looking on the screen here so you guys can see it as well. How do I find set HTML toggle? Stable. Those are Boolean attributes, okay. So I want style. Let me just search for style. Where's get attribute? Attributes, those are read-only. ID, inner HTML. Outer part, prefix. Scroll left, scroll top, shadow root. Instance properties, those are properties. Append. Okay, so how do I... Set property. Okay, where's that? Hard box rule. Oh. No. CSS object model. That's not what I want. That attribute. That attribute. Okay. Okay, let's try that. It's set attribute. Set attribute. Set style. Display. Set attribute. Okay. We're gonna say style. And we're gonna say display. None. There we go. Okay, so that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, so let's go back over here. What we need to do... I just want to put something under here. To make sure that it has room for... I think I want to put the warm-up... Actually, we want to put the warm-up at the top, don't we? No, we can't know the warm-up. Yeah, I think the warm-up needs to stay where it is, because we can't really know what the warm-up is until we have that over there, right? So, let's do... can I... Can I do... Can't do anything here now? Trying to do something in transitions. Oh. Why? Okay, I'll figure that out in a minute. Yeah, we have to have the workout master exercise present before we do that. So let's just I don't know, let's just do a div here for right now. And do I have like lorem epson? Lorem, is there a lorem epson Emacs package? Let's go to Melpa real quick. Let's go to Melpa real quick. I know we're kind of taking a detour, but I want to see if there's lorem. Yeah, insert dummy lorem epson. Okay. So let's do list packages. List packages. There it is. Okay. Control C, LP. Okay. Yep. Okay. So okay. So let me go and find Emacs personal custom EL. No, that's not it. It's preload. No, where's my modules? Personal preload, right? Am I just supposed to put something in preload? I can't remember. Emacs prelude. Should personal preload. Yeah, I guess I'll just add my own Enan.l. Okay. Use package. What was it? Lorem? Oh, Lorem. Lorem. Lorem ipsum. Okay. Lorem ipsum. Cannot load lorem ipsum. Why not? Oh, I don't really want to be doing this while I'm on the stream, but this is how we solve problems. Kind of go through them. Prelude require package. Oh. So I do prelude require package because this isn't actually... Okay. Prelude require package. Let's do lorem ipsum for right now. Okay. The lorem ipsum is installed. Let's go back to index, and then let's see what they say. Control C, L. Stored. No, that's not. Control C. No. Web mode file link? No. I just can call. I guess I can just call it. Let's do lorem ipsum. Insert paragraphs. There we go. That's one way. Okay, now go back to this. Sorry for that little sidetrack there. It looks like that key that they want was auto-configured already for something else, so I'll have to look at configuring that back. Okay, so we'll go back to the tracker here, and we will refresh here. Okay, now if I go and hide that little ipsum should jump up. Okay. Where was it? There we go. There we go. That's exactly what we want. Okay, so we're good. So we know that that's the right method that we want to use for that particular thing. We don't need these divs anymore for right now. Let's go back. Go to the next page. Open up. No. Okay. Open up app.js. Okay. So hide warm up dot. We have to get it first, right? We need it to toggle. We need it to toggle. So we need to get it first. So let's do actually, let's do checked value equals. Okay, let's actually get the item. Warm up toggle equals document. Just kind of go down here and grab it. All right, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do warm up toggle. Oh, no, check value is event.target dot value. Can't remember. I think it's event.target.value. Let's console.log that for just a second because I can't remember what it is. Okay. Work over here. And then we'll hit it. On. No. Let's do. What is the name of the checkbox? It has warm up. Okay. Let's do document.get has warm up. Warm up. How's everyone doing today? Has warm up equals document dot get element by ID as warm up. Okay, has warm up. Checked. That's what it is. Checked. Okay. Checked. Okay. Refresh this again. Yep. Okay. So now we have checked value. What we could do, that's a Boolean. True, false, true, false. Let's see. What is one? Oops. What does I can't remember how JavaScript handles. So 1 equals true. That's true. Okay. 0 equals true. That's false. Okay. So anything besides 0 is a truthy value. So it was 1 equal to false? Shouldn't be, right? No, it's false. Okay. So that means back over here. Okay, what I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to set a slide transition for this freaking thing. So we'll do hide cam, but we're going to turn the webcam on. And we're going to put it all the way over here when we're looking at the browser. Okay. And when we're here, it's going to go over there. So it's going to transition. Okay, that's fine. I like that. Okay, so and then I'm going to add automatic depending on what window I'm in at the time. So Why can't I do that right now? Scene transitions. No, I don't like that. I thought you could do that. I guess you couldn't do it because I started streaming first. So you can't do auto switcher. I'll have to fix that and do that for the next stream. Okay. Which one are we on right now? We're going to, yeah, back to here. Okay, so we're going to say that that's a Boolean. So that means that what we can do is warm up toggle equals, and I think with JavaScript, can't you? Okay, so can I go something like happy equals if 1 equals true, else does that work? No. No, so you can't do inline conditionals. Okay, so but you could do happy equals if 1 or 1, right, ternary. I can do ternary, right? 1 equals true, then it is yay, else it is nay. That, yes. Okay, so I'll do a ternary with it then. So that means back to the code. Yeah, I really need to set the scene transitions because that's going to be the only way that this is going to make sense, switching back and forth. Okay, warm up, toggle. And then we have, how long have I been live? We have toggle dot set attribute. Is it set attribute or set attribute? Set attribute, yeah, okay. Set attribute of style, and this is going to be let me just put this down another line. The attribute of style, and this is going to be checked value, then it's going to be otherwise it'll be none. Like that. Okay, let's see what that does. Token, where's my oh, I need not comma, but that colon. Okay, so that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Oh, I don't need, it's just a the call. That was a return. That was a return. We don't need to return anything. Okay, so it still isn't working. Warm up that set attribute. Style display. I didn't put display. So see. Display. Yeah. Or display. Something like that. That should work now, right? It does not. So when it's checked. Oh, when it's checked, we want. Is there a display? Is there like a show? I thought there was a show. Display. CSS. None. Is there a default? Okay. So let's. Oh, see, it's the thing with the display. So I have to set the auto display for tomorrow's stream. Okay, so warmup.toggle set attribute should be kind of okay. So if I do that here, oh, warmup's not defined. Yeah, because we didn't find it. Go find it. Here we go. Oh, is it working now? Wait a second. Oh, the first. Why? That's weird. It works for the first, but not the. So. Oh, my first time hitting it. Okay, it shouldn't be displayed. By default, it shouldn't be displayed. So we're gonna put it in here, but we are not going to use inlines. We'll use CSS. I just need to test this. So by default, hit that again. On page load, shouldn't be there. And then when I hit display, and then off, and then on. Okay, so that's what the problem was. But is it a block level element? What if I do block? Is that what it should be? I guess. Okay. I guess block is what it should be then. Alright, that makes sense. So we're displaying it that way. Okay, okay. This looks good. Okay. Did it copy? One night. So it's not doing a replay buffer? Alt plus P. Why isn't it doing a replay buffer? Hold on one second. I gotta see if my replay buffer is working as it's supposed to be. 119. No. Well, I guess I'll have to test that out at some point. Okay. All right. So there's the warm up sets reps, so you can't go under 12, 10, and I actually want those to be. I think I want those to be on their own line. So select and then a BR again. Nope, not that. BR. Okay. And then pull is here. BR. And then click it. There we go. Cool. Getting the this is the hard part, and then the fun part's gonna be the styling, which I'm not at all good at. So fun for you, not fun for me. Okay, so function, show, hide, warm up. We have that. Master exercises has warm up. We did the has warm up. What we need to do now is we also need to load the when we hit the has warm up and our warm up exercises fall down here, we need to load in. I'm sorry, actually, when we choose an exercise here, so say we choose one arm push up, and then we choose full push up here, then if we add a warm up, what should be here is full push up, half push up, kneeling push up, incline push up, and wall push up. Those would be the options because your warm ups go below your current exercises. So, excuse me, that means that we need to let's go do that. So, what was that ID again? So that would be the select progression exercise. Okay. And when that changes, or when it's, yeah, when it changes, when it's selected, what does this change? Oh, I gotta, what's the select elements? What are the different events on the select? Okay. Events. Okay. I don't see the events. Are the events down here? DOM interface. Events. There we go. Fires when the user selects an option. Okay, so yeah, it'd be changed. Okay, so when that happens, we're going to want to grab when the is my chat not working tonight? Have you guys been trying to chat with me? Chat? Refresh this. Yeah, no, I'm the only one who's chatted. Okay. Okay. Forget you guys then. Okay, so let's say one arm pull up. So say you choose jackknife pull up. Okay. So what that means is we set a document. We're going to set another event. Get element. Oh. Get element by ID. And that was progression exercise. Progression exercises. Add event listener. On change. We'll say hydrate, warm up. Okay. Where's show hide warm ups? Hydrate progress. Hydrate. Oh yeah, that is that. Okay, clear and add options. Elements list, options list. Yep, okay, so we'll be able to reuse this function. So we got to put that up. Where is this function being called? Where? In there. Yeah, so okay, has to be, yeah, above that then. Okay. So function hydrate. What did I call it? Hydrate warm up. Yep. Okay, warm up. And that's gonna take in an event. And it's essentially gonna be some of the same code. It's going to be a little bit the same, but the big difference is that it's going to have the exercises that are selected in the progression. It's going to have the ID, the index of the one selected. Okay, so we need to get the index of the selected progression exercise. Okay. And after we do that, we need to build a new options list with the options that are are equal to, less than or equal to, right? Less than or equal to options that have IDs less than or equal to the selected one. Right. Okay. Then after we do that, we need to clear and add the options to the warm up list. Okay, so we have our we have our task that we want to accomplish. So we need to get the index of the selected progression exercise. Okay. So hydrate warm up was fired on selected progression. So it's the event. So it would be ID. Let's just do selected ID equals event dot target dot. I'm gonna have to go look at the documentation for a minute here. Properties, options, selected index. Oh, okay. We just do selected index. Selected index. Okay, let's just console dot log that as selected ID. Okay. And then we'll save that for right now. They're called hydrate. Yep. That should work. Hide the webcam over there. Okay, so if we choose, so let's say we're gonna add a warm up. We have the console. If we choose hanging leg raise, and we choose, so that's 0, 1, 2, 3. So frog raise, we should be expecting that the third index. There it is. Okay, so we're going the right direction. We got the right index. So if we go back, then that's fine. We need to build a new options list with that index. So we want to get the list of so we have some subtasks there. So we have a few subtasks. So we need to get the options of the selected so that we can, I don't think we do. No, we could just loop through. Yeah. We'll just build the option. Yeah, we'll just do it directly through like a loop. Okay. So let's call new options, or like we'll call them warm-up options, right? Because it's the warm-up options. Equals that. The empty list. Okay. And then for selected let I equal 0, and then I is less than selected ID, and then we just go I plus 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 plus, and then we're going to do we're going to I didn't switch over. Remind me if I don't switch over to do that. So let's see, maybe I can. No. Oh, alt. Is that not alt? Yeah, meta P. So it should have done a replay buffer, but I don't. Oh, can I go to settings right now and see? Yeah. Output, replay buffer. Yeah, okay. And then hotkeys, buffer. Alt plus P. Okay, is it supposed to be capital P? I mean, that's not gonna. Okay. No, that's not gonna work. Do I have to start the replay buffer? I don't know. I have to watch that again. We'll figure it out at a later time. Okay. So we essentially we want to warm up options that push. Is it push? Yeah, push. event dot target dot options collection. Is that what it's called? Something like options collection. Let me go back to here. Options. Okay, yeah. So it's options. Options. Can I get index? Get? Can I just get? Where's I thought there were instance methods. Yeah. Is there get item? There we go. Specifying the index. Yes. Yes. Okay. So option dot item, and it would be I, right? Yeah. Okay. Then once we got that, I feel like we can just can't we just then call our function that we wrote some time ago? What's going on here? Why is it what's that about? Okay, looking forward to tonight's view. Can you guys see or hear my stream? Very weird. Let's go to... I want to get this one working real quick, and then we'll probably be done for the evening. Now I get... You know what? Get out of here. Okay. Why... Or... Or am I missing something here? Oh. That's where. Oh, man. I knew something was going on. Okay. Clear and add options to... It'd be the warm-up. So we need to get the warm-up too. Warm-up select equals document dot get element by ID. The ID is... Not sure, can't see it up there. It is warm-up exercise. That makes sense. I mean, what I was doing, right? Okay. Then that's what we're passing here. Warm-up, select, and warm-up options. Okay. Don't know. We're gonna try it out. See what happens. So we'll add a warm up. Don't want to warm up. Add a warm up. We choose stand to stand bridge. We say we're currently working on the half bridge. So we get short bridge, straight bridge, align bridge, and head bridge. We were supposed to get half bridge though. Oh, why did it... Does it remove the item? Oh, that removes it. I don't want to... Ah, yeah. I don't... See, that's not what I wanted. I don't want to remove it. but it did remove it. Wait a second, hold on. Let's debug. What's going on here? Choose one arm, pull up. We'll choose kneeling. Yeah. Oh my god. If they go through this. Okay. And then we'll choose half push up item. Okay. 1, 2. Options length. To execute the provided value is not which value. So where are we making a mistake at here? New options list of options that have IDs. Clear and add options. Okay. Switch. Warm up select. Warm up options. All right, a couple more minutes. I did have to hit start replay buffer. I didn't realize that. Okay. Warm up. They have no options, I guess. What's going on here? Hydrate warm up, selected ID, event.target. This is how you get through some stuff, you guys. Event.target, selected index, yes. It's the event that's firing off, which is the... Wait, yeah, when I change progression. Change progression, say we're gonna do knee raise. Okay, warm up select. There's nothing. Warm up options. 1. I should have 2. There's the problem. Because the index, yes, I want to go right to the index because it is index based. My bad. My bad. My bad, my bad, my bad. I'm glad we solved that. That was real cool. Okay. See, that's debugging. Real-time debugging. So this needs to be actually equal to, right? Less than or equal to. Okay. And then I can even put down in the select now. We could put an option to choose a value. Please choose an option, not and option. And an option. Okay, let's see. Okay, we choose one arm push up. We're gonna add a warm up. We choose full push up. Pause in the debugger. We got a console error. Why did we get a console error? Close push up. Okay, we have full push up all the way up to wall push up. But I'm not quite sure why we had an error still though. Okay, add a warm up. Pull up. Let's do incline. Warm up select. There's nothing there. Warm up options. 2. Selected element is warm up select. Selected ID. Event.target. Warm up exercise. Yep. Okay. Add. Exercises dot length. Oh, exercises. Should be exercises dot length. Did we have a bug? What? Because exercises is again lifted. Should be options list, right? Shouldn't it be options list? One arm push up. Yeah. Okay. One arm pull up. Yep. Hanging leg raise, knee tuck. Yes. Okay. So we choose that. And we want to warm up exercise. And say we're doing bent leg raises. Bent leg raises and above. There we go. We got it. If we select a new one, that changes. If we select a new exercise, that would change. So we pick a new thing. Yes. Oh, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And then we can remove the warm-up. We can add the warm-up. So our current progress is not looking too shabby. I think we're doing good. We're doing good. Well, you know what? That's going to be about it for this evening. We added the warm-up legend. We wired up the... where you choose your warm-up. It also chooses the possible warm-ups that you can have. And then you put your set 1 and set 2 reps. Why do I have set 2 there? I need a set 2 there. Let's fix that real quick. Nope, that's a 2. Yep. Got your date picker in there. And then we could do a warm-up. Yep, we choose a warm-up. We'll do that one. Boom. Good to go. Okay. And then we just won't send it to the server if it ends up being that someone's not using the not logging a warm-up. So like if this is here, before we send it to the server, when we get to that point, we just won't send it if they're not logging a warm-up. Okay, so let us just do some check-ins here. Okay, so we can see what we did. That looks good. You can actually see down to like the chunk level with this. So you could go like down to the level of the chunk. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we modified both of those. We're gonna stage them. Okay, and we're going to commit. Add warm up portion to the form. And wire initial.js to it. Okay. That's saved. Now we'll do a push. Pushing it so that you guys can see it when it gets to... Oops. So you guys can see it when it gets to the... when it gets to GitHub, is here. We have a workout tracker. There we go. I do need to work on the README and stuff like that for it. So thank you guys for joining tonight. I hope you had fun. I had fun. I will work on making those stream improvements over the next couple of streams. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining Keenan Can Do. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.